Alright guys, we're back out here at these white trucks again. This is the one that had the fucked up bumper. I already changed it out. I got to get busy on that one over there. I did it off camera, but this driver's about to take this unit, so I had to get it done and knocked out really quick. This section are old. This is the new one. And it looked like it was being held on by duct tape, which I've got the old one right here in this box. So here's the old one. You can see the damage that was done to it. Not too bad, just broke the mounting seam, which is all this right here. So you got a bolt there, 2 main bolts, 2 small bolts, and 1 little bitty bolt that goes right there. So, but I got it changed out. I'm about to head over to that end of the parking lot, start on another truck. Alright guys, show you all this real quick. This is the new harness. You got your ACM, you got your ECM connections, ECM harness connections, you got your def tank heater, your DPF SCR connection, your def tank connection, which goes here, runs down the frame rail, runs across that way to the DPF. But there's 2 connections right back there. I'm not even sure if y'all can fucking see them. There they are. You gotta disconnect those 2. No fucking room, guys. And there's zip ties back there that you can't fucking get to. So I'm gonna take out the shift tower and see if I got enough room. Fucking door's locked. Yeah, hey. Alright, we're back. Shift tower. Let's get that shit pulled up. We got some cleaning out to do. I hate this part. Y'all hang in there. Alright guys. I don't know if y'all can see this. There isn't much room for me to fucking work here. I don't even know if these go to the plug. I can't really see. I know that one does. Let's see here. Can't see that one. Damn, I feel like I'm getting fucking tetanus just being in this fucking truck. Oh, come on, bitch. Get around these fucking EOAs. Okay. Well, we got a little bit of access here. One hand. That's all we get to fuck with. That's one of them. Golly. This is fucking ridiculous here. Ah! That hurt. That fucking hurt. Here's the harness. Just fucking with you. Got the harness over here already. This is all the different pieces of it. I cut it out 3 different pieces because this won't fit through the frame rail. And then this is going to be your main backbone piece, which that connects there. This one connects way up here. I think. I don't fucking know. But yeah, fun shit. So I'm gonna get busy on getting the new harness ran. Trying to find the rub that I seen the other day. Fuck it. Fuck it. So now we gotta route this harness in there. Starting with this little guy right here. Alright, that's gonna be fun to plug in too. I don't know if you've ever plugged these plugs in, but they're the seals. The seal right here are a bitch to get together. Alright, I'm gonna slide all this underneath the truck and get it routed. So y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, I got this baby done. I got the after treatment harness replaced. I got all the wires and everything zip tied up. Replaced the before catalyst knock sensor. I wasn't gonna record this shit, but this camera died. But I got it all done. It's all taken care of. Check engine light went out whenever I started it up. Cleared all the codes out. Road tested it. Fucking solid. So this one's done. It's Friday, so I'm about to take my ass home. It's been a pretty long day here, so it's been fun though. Pain in the ass, but fun. So y'all have a good weekend.